This rider was cruising normally when suddenly a dust devil swirled past him, sending a cornstalk flying across the road. While riding through Croatia, this biker found himself in a dangerous situation. A van driver abruptly cut into his lane without warning, forcing the biker to react instantly. One second slower, and this could have ended in a serious collision. A close call on a city street. This biker was about to collide with a woman who crossed the road without looking. Another near miss. A car did indicate, but far too late. The biker had to adjust at the last second. This rider's nightmare didn't end on the street, it followed him home. After reporting 2 attempted bike thefts to the police, his motorcycle became a target again. This time, the thieves came back and slashed his tires. A brutal act of revenge for standing up to crime. Here's a heart-stopping moment. A motorcycle nearly crashes, but thanks to the rider's sharp reflexes and quick thinking, disaster is narrowly avoided.
Okay, now. Now.
This is why experience and reaction time matters. While stopped at a traffic light, this biker was rear-ended by a careless driver. No warning, no chance to move, just impact. Proof that even when you're stationary, danger can come from behind.
Da li si realan? Jesi realan, brate? Jesi realan, jebote Bogo? Brate, mili, ti, brate, nisi realan. Jebote!
Uzgodno, razumeš, či samo sam pogledao levo. Jebem ti.
Brate, mili.
Da li si realan, jebote Bogo? Drži ovdje.
Riding a dirt bike through the open desert, this biker intercepts a sandstorm head-on. Visibility drops, wind picks up. It's one of those rides where nature reminds you who's really in control. this biker was pulled over by the police, but the encounter turned out to be surprisingly positive.
Yeah, I'm riding with him, so.
But what I'll do is, I had you around 45 before you got on it. But look, I'm not gonna get you for a record time. I'm gonna have to write. That's fine. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. This the mayor right here. Yeah, we seniors. So.
Oh, you're the mayor?
Yeah, he the mayor.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Freddie. Yeah.
If you guys keep doing that shit through town, we're gonna start pulling everybody over. Check your zone.
Man, we come out here in the,
everything else.
I don't run through town. We come out here out in the country. We try to stay out of the haters.
Who just fucking let her up and going through
Yeah,
town?
what's this here? Yeah, he wasn't.
I'm just telling you.
Yeah, but I'm
tired of it.
I'm just saying, I don't go through town, man. I get out here in the country to stay out of your
I don't
haters.
care.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and write him. I'm gonna go ahead and write him.
Give him a warning, Ray.
Okay, all
But
right.
let him know. I mean, all right, guys.
So this the boss
Really?
guy. Okay, then.
I mean,
y'all owe him a thank you.
I catch hell,
Yeah.
so I gotta pass it along.
Okay, so this one, give him a warning.
But you know,
Okay.
just don't go crazy, okay?
I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you guys.
Thanks for being
Have a
nice.
good day.
Yeah, I hear you, man. You have a good one.
All right.
I took the day off and decided to come
Y'all
out.
did, and that would look. I appreciate how y'all pulled over. Y'all didn't try to run.
I looked
Yeah.
back and I was like, oh man.
Oh yeah. So I was gonna.
I usually see you there, so I ain't trying to give you
Oh
problems.
yeah. Well,
so
y'all know because y'all see me down there all the time.
Yeah.
Well, all right then.
I try to be respectful as I can.
I appreciate that.
Like I told
Yeah.
him, I try to come out here in the country
Right,
and
let's
not
have a
come
nice
through
time.
town.
Well, if I need backup, I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna get your muscles. I'm gonna get your muscles.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
You have
Y'all
a
be
good one,
careful.
sir.
Okay. Y'all have a blessed day.
You too.
Yes, sir. You take care.
Y'all be careful. Look, I can tell y'all, watch out for them other people. They crazy. They'll run you over. You gotta watch out for the other people.
Yeah.
I mean, look. I love having my motorcycle out, but man, people crazy anymore. So y'all be careful.
No, yeah,
Y'all
I
nice.
understand.
Y'all so know God got a blessing with your name on it.
Thank you.
Thanks for being so nice.
You have a good one, sir. I appreciate it. You gonna pull up the Charles Mill?
Let me know.
All right. Thank you.
Hey,
Thank
am
you.
I still recording?
Yeah. Yeah. I think so.
And is it red?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
You
do
want
it.
to pull up at the Charles Mill up there?
Yeah, that
Pull
Charles Mill Dam.
All right.
Bro, no way.
While riding behind a car, this biker spotted something odd, a phone sitting on the car's rear bumper. Without hesitation, he pulled alongside and warned the driver, a small moment of honesty that might have saved someone a lot of stress. this biker encountered robbers attempting to block his path.
Você tá vendo no retrovisor? Não sei se é casal. Desce, calma! Calma! Tira o capacete! Calma! Desce da moto!
While riding in the city, this biker noticed a truck parked directly in the cyclist lane, endangering those who depend on that space for safe travel. He confronted the driver and called out the behavior. Sometimes speaking up is the only way to protect the road for everyone.
Broken down, look!
What?
Broken down?
No.
Why are you parked in the
Because I'm
circle?
legally taking my break.
You can't
By
legally.
law, I have to pull over and take a break.
Yeah, I know all that,
It's the same
Taco.
place to do it.
No, it's not. You can't park on a solid white line. Circle line. Well, you can tell it to the magistrate, can't you? Simple as that, lad.
I've got to take my break, mate. It's against the law not to.
Don't matter. It's a solid white line, circle line. Don't matter about your taco. It's up to you to plan your taco break and make sure you've got enough time to park somewhere safe. That's the way it works. I know how f***ing taco works, lad.
Well,
You are not allowed to park in a solid white line,
So you
circle
just
line.
answered your own question, then I'm on my break.
Yeah, but you can't legally, you're not allowed to cross that line in a motor vehicle. You can't use the circle line as a rest area.
Where does it say cycle lane here?
What the you seriously, you drive a HGV and you don't know what the basics of that.
This is a cycle lane.
I've looked at you enter it. It's a solid white line. Motor vehicles are not allowed to cross the solid white line. So you don't even know the basics and all that. Mate, tell it to the magistrate. You can tell it to the magistrate. It's not bothered. You've broken the law. You took the piss, parked in a solid white line, circle line. Take responsibility for your actions. You're either going to get a course or 100 quid and 3 points. Suck it up, mark up. Don't park there and take the fucking piss. You don't fuckers doing it all the time.
So that's it for today. Remember to ride safe and be aware on roads. Hit that like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for thrilling videos. See you in the next one.